very warm welcome to all of you, lovers of the theatrical and performing arts, to this amazing evening of celebrations of the Sangeet Kala Kendra Awards. Today promised to be an evening of glamour and glitz. A special welcome to the legendary, beautiful and charming Rekha Ji, the actor for all films. Going by the clamour for invites to this evening, Rekha Ji, you are indeed a big draw for this distinguished audience. As part of our continuing tradition, every year we salute the man who harnessed the force of creativity through the setting up of the Sangeet Kala Kendra. The incredible, fulfilled, multifaceted, legendary Aditya Vikram Birla, my husband. He had a bold vision that cut across the boundaries of business. His vision was to add more meaning to life, to ensure that life was more than mere work. That was his impactful message, immortalized through the instituting of the Sangeet Kala Kendra. Over the last 3 decades, Sangeet Kala Kendra has wrapped its performances in the context of creativity and being contemporary, encompassing every aspect of the performing art, be it theatre, music, dance, arts, sculpture, painting, and so on. The feedback from most of you is overwhelming. In the collective opinion of our members, SKK's eclectic programs provide engaging experiences, draw huge audiences that are swayed and resonate well. At this Sangeet Kala Kendra program, our focus is on performing arts. Our distinguished jury, comprised of eminent theatre exemplars pan-India, with the renowned Mrs. Amarji Alana as the jury chair. Amarji, who had held several leadership positions in schools of drama, is currently the director of Art Heritage Gallery. Srimati Arundhati Nag of Rang Shankara Theatre in Bangalore. Shri Sunil Tandon, an actor and the director of the Indian Habitat Center. Shri Suman Mukhopadhyay. Yet another talented actor and director, Miss Deepa Gehlot, a renowned theatre and film critic. These 5 constituted the panel of judges. Thank you so much for investing your time and naming the awardees. Veteran filmmaker, actor and director, and a trendsetter of her times, Srimati Vijayaji Mehta, is named for the Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shilhar Puraskar. She has been more than engaged with parallel cinema. She has won numerous awards. Suicide Just a Couple. In 2018, she was recognized for her phenomenal contribution in the field of performing arts and was conferred the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Mahindra Excellence in Theatre Awards. Besides the Sangeet Natak Academy Awards for Excellence in Direction, she has a string of over 50 awards bestowed upon her. We are privileged and proud to confer the Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Shilhar Puraskar upon her. Congratulations go to 3 young artists who show enormous promise to rise to the position of the best in the chosen fields, given their amazing talent. The Aditya Vikram Birla Kala Kiran Puraskar is to be conferred jointly on Smita Chakravarti and Ajit Singh Balawat, the first husband and wife team to receive this award together. Yes, this is perfect harmony. Congratulations also to Ms. Sapan Saran. My best wishes to the three of you to one day be back on the Sangeet Kala Kendra stage here for Kala Shikhar Puraskars. Thank you all so much, my fellow SKAites, for your support and endorsement. We have planned an excellent evening of entertainment. While we have the delight of having Rekha ji with us, you have the surprise of even having Madhuri Dixit do a number for us. Even today, both Rekha ji and Madhuri ji continue to be the dhak-dhak of the fans. Enjoy the evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, सबसे पहले तो मैं राष्ट्रीय अम्मा को प्रणाम करती हूँ. Thank you for such sweet words you've said about me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me here. I can't believe I'm actually here. I must tell you a little story. When I was a little girl, my amma used to say, "बड़े होके टाटा बिरला की तरह बनना." You know, that is the first time I heard this name of Birla. And for me to be standing here as the chief guest is quite surreal, but joyful nonetheless. Thank you so much. Thank you all for being here. I have received many awards, as you all know, over the years. It's my 57th year in the industry. Thank you. And I believe Vijay Mehta ji turned 90, mashallah, this year. I'm almost 100 years old, okay? I'm just 20 years younger than her. So, jokes apart, I was saying I've received many awards, many accolades, and lots of blessings, but I think, Rashima, I want your ears all here. The day I stand here and receive what Vijay ji has received, that will be the day from the hands of Rashima. That will be an absolute honor. I shall work harder, I shall thrive more, I shall live longer, and I shall see the day when that happens. I promise you all that. Thank you so much. आदित्य जी के बारे में मैं कुछ कहूँ तो छोटा मुँह बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, सूरज को रोशनी दिखाने वाली बात हो जाएगी, लेकिन उनकी याद में मैं एक नज़्म नजर करना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप लोगों की इजाज़त हो तो. कुमार मंगलम बिरला जी, कहाँ बैठे हैं आप? जी नमस्कार. इनकी एक फेवरेट फिल्म है सिलसिला, है ना? एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ हिज फेवरेट्स. उस फिल्म का मैं एक नज़्म पेश करना चाहती हूँ, इजाज़त है? अर्ज़ है, ये रात है या तुम्हारी जुल्फें खुली हुई है चांदनी या तुम्हारी नज़रों से मेरी रातें धुली हुई है. ये चांद है या तुम्हारा कंगन, सितारे हैं या तुम्हारा आंचल, हवा का झोंका है या तुम्हारे बदन की खुशबू. ये पत्तियों की है सरसराहट कि तुमने चुपके से कुछ कहा है. मैं सोचता हूँ कब से गुमसुम कि जबकि मुझको भी खबर है कि तुम नहीं हो, कहीं नहीं हो, मगर ये दिल है कि कह रहा है कि तुम यहीं हो, यहीं कहीं हो.